So I'm starting out my day dealing with a acne breakout. I'm going to wash my face with the Heavenly Essence baby shampoo. It's very gentle, and then I'm going to mix up some of the Zen Detox hair and scalp mask and put them on some of these spots that are raised because it really helps suck that out. Even if there's not like a head on it, it shrinks the bumps, which is really nice also. Just to kind of explain what I did there, I got it more watery. I put too much water in my mixture, and it's still okay when you do that because like it's really hard to get that tiny small amount to be like the right mixture, way less water than what you think it needs. And once it gets wet, it kind of sticks to whatever utensil you're stirring with. I used the thicker stuff that was stuck to the comb to get the actual like bumps that are on my face, the raised bumps. And then the liquid stuff, I just kind of smoothed over the areas that like have like little whiteheads that aren't really, you know, bumps, but need to be sucked dry. And that liquidy stuff will get those little sections while the thicker stuff works on the thicker parts. It's just really cool how you can customize it to whatever issue you are dealing with. I don't know if you can really see it, but the clay mask is all dried up now. Basically just gets all that extra oiliness out of my skin from first thing in the morning. And I think the bumps went down a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell until you get it off. But I'm going to just brush my hair out while he finishes eating, and then I'm going to jump in the shower and wash this off. And wash my hair with the beautifying package from Morocco Methods and the Heavenly Essence shampoo and the Pearl Essence conditioner, which also are one of my favorite ones. I really like the ones that have the washout conditioners. I just think the products work really well with my hair. All of them do really well with the hair though. I could probably do another video on this whole discussion, but I feel like each package benefits my hair in a different way. So I can't really say I have a favorite, but I do really enjoy the way my hair feels. Just the flowiness of it after I use the washout conditioners. I just do this because it feels good. It makes your head feel like it just got a massage from a professional masseuse. Then I'm going to do this just because I know my brush isn't going to go through it. It is the Kids Miracle Detangler. That's literally how I put it in my hair. That wasn't for show. I'm gonna take my mixed boar bristle brush from Morocco Method and go like this. Upside down, sort of upside down. It's like a upside down face. Back's just kind of flat. But I go from the nape of the neck kind of towards the center of the front of my head and try to get all that oil down the strands. And then I go on the sides, which you can see, and kind of go straight, not out, like not above my head, but towards my face. I don't comb my sides. I've realized that my hair looks fuller. It just has like a really pretty shape to it when I don't comb the sides back. I'll comb them down when I'm fixing my hair, but while I do this process, I think it works better when I only comb the sides when I'm upside down. I will do this 3 times at least. If your hair is oilier, you can do it more, and you can kind of feel while you're brushing, your hair will get easier to comb through and the ends will look less dry as you do it. And with my hair, I don't know if you can tell, but it does feel and look kind of greasy when I do this. But after a while, it's like it absorbs back into your hair, that greasy feeling. Now this is after detox. While you're still detoxing, it'll probably be kind of sticky. But it absorbs back into your hair and it feels like you just put dry shampoo in it. It's crazy. So I was just looking at my videos to make sure I got like all my ends and everything and my snipping. I just noticed the texture in my hair. My hair always shows a little more texture while it's still got some moistness to it, which it is definitely still half damp. The point of the beautifying days is to bring out more of that natural wave and texture in your hair. I've always had extremely straight hair and I've always wanted more wave and texture to it. That's part of my goals here. Wow. Like, I can't believe that it's showing this much. I can't wait to like see it once it gets dried, but wow. I'm really impressed right now. I've never seen my hair show that much wave to it. I did not even brush my hair before I walked out of the house. I was still letting it dry, so we'll see how it does. Very tired and I'm not gonna bother filming the whole night routine. I just want to see what I'm gonna do. I like to do this if my face is needing exfoliating. It works really well. It leaves my skin softer than like any kind of exfoliator I've used. But to be super gentle on my face, since I have had a breakout and just used a mask the other day, I might do the Heavenly Essence again for the evening. I've been incorporating this. I didn't talk about it earlier, but I did use it earlier. This stuff makes your skin feel so soft. It feels wonderful on your skin and it cools it. Like, my skin feels hot. Red patches. My skin feels hot when I wash it, and then this immediately cools it down. Like, I was very impressed with this one. I almost forgot. I did want to show the back of my head because the wave like stayed in my hair, but I wanted to move it around a little bit slower in the lighting so you can see it. I've got wave in my hair at the end of the day after all of that running around and wind tousledness. I really like it.